In primetime news this evening, man rescued after climbing the top of the Halfway Tree Transport Center.
A family of teens shot on New Year's Day seek justice.
And scores of Jamaicans flock NWC office as amnesty takes effect. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, a revenue shortfall has forced the government to find creative ways to help fund the budget. I'll give you details of that and more in the Business Day.
And so it's a new year, so is it that I'm no luck? No, I am calling it the big show. Spencer Darlington is here with a preview.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, a West Indies legend is in disagreement with a proposed two-tier format for Test cricket. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. We're keeping partly cloudy conditions in the afternoons for most of the area for most of this week. We do, however, have some shower activity that is forecast to affect sections of northeastern parishes on Wednesday.
Beautiful news as far as I'm concerned. More rain. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking what more can be done to further improve the reduction in serious crimes.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.